Yes, sanibonani bafowethu. Ninjani niyaphila? I'm short, I'm running. Ngiyagijima. There's a story developing njengamanje indabeni esithi kunama ballot papers atholakale emzini of an individual ePretoria. And kusolakala ngazuthi lawo ma ballot papers amayelana ne-conference ye-ANC lapha eGreater Johannesburg. Cishe labe kunombango khona between ubaba uTata Mrero nalo omunye uleader we-ANC wesifazane, I think ileyo nto kunjalo. Engazi ukuthi amalungu e-ANC kukhona atshontsha lama ballot papers ngenjongo yokutemperisha nawo. So ingake etholakala emzini wenye imember mhlawumbe angazi noma imember kodwa vele imember ye-ANC, it's obvious. So ngithi ake ngiyivezele indaba mhlawumbe usuyizwile nawe njengamanje is a developing story kusakhulunywa ngayo, kusalindwe ne-response futhi ka-President Ramaphosa ukuthi uzothini ngalo. But mina kukhona into engihlekisayo ukuthi uma kuzotholakala ama ballot papers okungafanele atholakale noma kuphi, atholakale emzini we-individual. What does this tell you about the ANC? What does it tell you about the ANC? Yimaphi amanye ama ballot papers abakhona ukutemperisha nawo before angabanjwa njengalawa abanjiwe namhlanje? Uyabona ukuthi kukhona abanye ku-ANC abakhonile ukubona ukusa nokuhlakanipha okungasile kwamanye amalungu e-ANC, baya exposeana bodwa manje abantu be-ANC. So baya exposeana ukuthi bakhohlakele kangakanani. So you ask yourself ke South Africa ukuthi izwe lase South Africa lizoyithola lenkululeko elifuna i-ANC isenza konke lokho ekwenzayo makunama elections. Buka lawa sikhuluma ngama elections lawa bewenzeka within the ANC kwi conference ye-ANC Greater Johannesburg. Now ama ballot papers asatholakala. Usamkele Maseka be interview omunye la oyilungu eliqavile le-ANC khona lapha kule ndawo. Umbuza ngawo lama ballot papers. Udla angazi kuthiwani kodwa akakhona nokuchaza lo mnumzana. Akafuni nokuchaza. Unamahloni ngento eyenzekile. Iyayi expose lento ANC ukuthi ANC ikhohlakele kangakanani when it comes to my elections. Kodwa njengoba ngishilo, this is a developing story. Ngizobuya nama details kusasa, ngizoyenza ivideo kusasa sesithole everything about this bese siyihlaziya kahle ke sixoxe ukuthi what does this mean about the ANC and the country njengoba i-ANC i-part of i-GNU. So yiloko nje ngingakusho bafethu, i-developing story. Mhlawumbe uzoyizwila ke sikhulume ngayo, uthini umbono wakho wena ngalokutholakala kwama ballot papers emzini we-individual, okungama ballot papers we-conference ye-ANC la bekukhethwa khona ubuholi base Greater Johannesburg. Sengilinda ukuphawula kwakho Mfoka Mkhonzala. Thank you so much.